But your mouth always gotta be in the camera.
Why is she gotta always be recording?
I don't know.
We're going pretty fast now.
Oh my god. I'm sorry, I don't normally sniff hair. I don't.
Definitely times.
Where did that happen?
Why are you laughing?
Oh my god. Because I have a cold.
Oh, you have a cold? That's why she's laughing.
I have a cold.
It's laughing through my nose.
Why don't you laugh with thick saliva?
Can't do it like that.
Hey, just because you're jealous because you don't have
Oh, what? I got my
thick
camera.
saliva. Oh.
I'm running to the train. What are you doing?
I wanted to catch you laughing, but you're not laughing.
That's your laugh.
You did it. You did it. I didn't do that. I don't know what you're talking about.
I think you did it better than what she does.
No, I did that. Oh, you're gonna run out of memory. I'll just take a picture. Oh, you're recording.